Keeping your staff motivated becomes much easier when commissions are calculated automatically. Instead of tracking everything manually, Salonist helps you create commission structures and assign them directly to your team. To set this up, head over to Manage Staff, then click on Commission. Here, you'll see your staff members along with their assigned commission profiles and commission types. Now let's see how to create one. Click on Add Commission Profile. Salonist gives you 3 commission types: commission by services, commission by slab, and commission by products. Let's start with commission by services. Here, enter your profile name, then choose how commissions will be calculated. For example, if we set the commission to 1%, a service like bridal makeup priced at 1,000 dirhams will automatically generate a commission of 10 dirhams. You can apply the same percentage across all services at once using Apply All. Then simply click Submit to create the profile. Creating commission profiles is only the first step. The real value comes when those profiles are assigned to staff members and calculated automatically behind the scene. Click on Assign Commission Profile, select a staff member, for example Blake, then choose the commission profile we just created. Now, any service completed by Blake will automatically calculate commissions based on that profile. Salonist also supports commission by slab. This option lets you create commission ranges. For example, you can define a sales range from 100 to 1,000 dirhams, then assign a commission value based on percentage or your preferred setup. Simply create the slab, submit it, and assign it the same way. Once everything is assigned, Salonist automatically tracks and calculates commissions in the background. No manual calculations, no spreadsheets, and no extra work. Everything stays updated automatically while helping you keep your staff motivated and performance-driven.